Okay, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe someone you know who has recently moved to a new place. Yes.
People move to a new place for two main reasons: for education and for job. Recently, my cousin went to Australia for getting higher education. For she is very hardworking. In Pakistan, in Pakistan she lived in her own house, but she did not have her own room. In Australia, she has her own individual room. She really work hard to better in English to get higher score in IELTS. IELTS slow IELTS IELTS she worked day and night for getting higher bands. For getting higher. If I had not been for her, I would never dreamed of studying in Australia.
Okay, 50 seconds, but it sounds like you have memorized your answer. The way you are speaking, you are repeating the words, these are the signs that answer is coming from your memory. So try to brush up your own English language skill so that you could answer. Now we have speaking part 3. Why do young people move to new places?
I think young people move to new places because for getting education and for job.
Good, good, very good. Okay, what is the difference between living alone and living with family?
There is a big difference between living alone and living with the family. Um, with the family, we enjoy anything, but if we are alone, we are like in a jail,
Okay,
open jail.
good. Try to speak more, right? And try to come up with your own ideas because your own ideas are better than memorized answer. Okay. So looking at your performance now, I'll give you a 5 band, but you can improve it, right? Thank you.